Well, it's been a long, hot, dry summer. And Django's little beaver pond here almost completely dried up. She couldn't go swimming. Now this is only a couple blocks from our house, so you can imagine how bummed out she's been to not be able to go swimming every single day, sometimes twice a day. So today she raced down here as fast as she could so that I would throw the ball for her. So I will do exactly that before we go to work. Huh? He's a good girl. Sometimes she does some pretty interesting acrobatics here. You can see there's a rock over there. That's her diving rock. If I throw the ball right in front of it, sometimes we get a pretty good dive out of her. Oh, she didn't dive off the rock this time. That's a good girl, Django. Absolutely loves the water. Loves to fetch, loves the water. Pure retriever. Good girl, Django. Let's try it again. Oh, she went around it again. Let's try it again. When she jumps off that rock, it is hilarious. Cracks me up every time. He's a good girl, Django. There she goes. It's not the biggest dive she's ever done, but it was a pretty good one. Good girl, Django. Still not quite enough water in here. We could use another 6 inches. She can't quite swim. There she goes. That was a perfect 10, Django. You're a very good diver. Yes, you are.